Fred Van Vliet, go. Every single shot. Yeah, Shaq, I'm going to need some kapops in here.
Okay, I got it.
Just back up.
How many threes in a baby?
11. He ended up hitting 11 threes.
14.
Damn.
Efficient.
That's efficient.
A franchise record for most
Jason Capone.
54.
White chocolate Jason Capone.
Have you guys ever had a game like this?
Yeah, I hit about 11 floaters one night.
I had about
Crazy.
11.